Here we go. This is about to get crazy right here.
Be strong.
What's up, J2R family? I'm Johnny, and I am back with another reaction for you guys today. So if you hopefully got to see our reaction to an opening and ending of Chainsaw Man, a new anime that looks amazingly cool and just ridiculously full of action. If not, it should be back up soon. It was taken down by YouTube for copyright reasons, but we're working on getting that back up so you guys can see it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually react to the first episode. And if you guys are watching this on YouTube, it's probably going to be all cut up, so you're not going to get the full thing due to copyright. But if you're on our Patreon account, you're going to get the whole episode. And hope you guys enjoy it. But if this is your first time to our channel and you like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, we appreciate you guys coming back. And I should be doing these every week as they come out. And we're going to get into more anime reactions, or more anime, doing more reactions to anime. Because it's really cool. It's a lot of cool stuff. We're seeing a lot of cool artwork. The music is fantastic, so we're going to get into that. But yeah, so I guess I'll go ahead and get into it. Let's check it out. This looks really cool. I'm guessing he was dreaming. So they're selling body parts to make money. That's crazy. What is that? This show looks really cool. It really does. I thought that was funny in the opening watch where he was cleaning the ball. This opening was crazy. Look at the dog. I don't know, the chainsaw dog. Who's gonna eat the cigarette? I'm waiting for it to really pick up and get crazy. Alright, so this is when he's a kid, and he doesn't have the chainsaws yet. And this is where he meets the devil dog. That looks like a shot or something. I wonder if that's how he got his powers to become Chainsaw Man. Was he sick? From some heart disease. What did they do? Oh, I had a feeling there was something up with that guy. I wonder when he's going to get his powers. Or does he not know he has powers? Oh, man. Oh, they're going to kill his ass. He just got attacked by like hundreds of zombies. And they threw him in the garbage. That's awesome that you just have a dog that's a chainsaw. Oh, his body's going back together. Here we go. This is about to get crazy right here. This ain't gonna be good for them. What is that thing? They're gonna be done in a second. He's gonna cut them all up. Yep. He's throwing zombies at him. It's just a pile of bodies. Alright, I guess that's it for the first episode. So I'm wondering, so is the dog like gone forever since he's like become part of the guy, or does the dog come back in future episodes? I'm not really sure what's gonna go on there, but that was an awesome episode. That was insane. So we see how he got his powers from the dog, the devil dog, and he went and he just took out the zombie devil. So I don't know if there's gonna be more characters that he has to take out or what, but he took out the zombie devil. He killed all the zombies. They're all gone. I guess he doesn't owe that guy money anymore because that guy's dead too. So this was an insane anime. This is like the first anime I've ever watched, except for like a long time ago I watched a couple movies. But this looks really cool. I'm definitely excited about it. Definitely like to get into the next episode. I'm not sure when that's going to come out, but I'll have it up as soon as it does. And you guys can watch that. But this seems like a really cool anime. It really does. I don't know where it's going to go from here. I'm guessing they're like some kind of like secret agency that are hunting the devils. Maybe evil devils. I'm not sure if they're all evil or just certain ones. And it looks like he's going to start working for them. I wonder if she has a team, because in the opening it seems like there's multiple people with powers of some sort. So I wonder if that's the team that he gets on and they just become like a devil hunting team. But that was really cool. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. That was amazing. If you're watching this on YouTube and you thought it was cool and you liked the reaction, definitely hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Definitely gonna have more of these, but the full episodes will be on our Patreon account, so you guys go check those out. So yeah, definitely gonna check out every episode. This is really cool, and thanks for watching. See ya.